Are you playing with your food? Oh my goodness. What is it? That is a little doggy treat, bacon flavor. She looks very happy about it. Oh, there it is. Wow. Yes. Yes. She's already had a few. And I think she's a little excited to be up here with her boss. This is a boss. There's a boss right there. There's a boss. Just all trying to get along here. Whoops, whoops. Hey. Calm down. Thank you. Sit. Sit. Both of you. Sit. Good girl. You too. Don't. She doesn't like your paws on her. Can you take that message home? Huh? Hang on. Girl, I tossed one to the back under the pink pillow. See if she can find it. She sure loves to use her nose and use it well. Don't ya? Kaji. Hi. Good girl. Sit. Good sit, girl. You're a good girl to sit. All right, you get a treat for that. Paw? Good paw, girl. Let's let everybody know you're only 10 weeks old. Here you go. Good paw. Very good. Come here. Sit. Sit. Good sit. Paw. Sit. Good sit, paw. Good girl. Good paw, girl. Yes, very good. Atta girl. She loves these little treats. Down. Good down, girl. Stay. Good girl. Good down. You're so good. All right. All right. You're on a roll. Up. Up. Come on. Sit. Sit. Oh, you want to dance? Okay, let's dance. There we go. Come on. Can you dance? Oh, there we almost. Come on. Atta girl. You did it. You did it. We'll give the last one to Roxy. We need to get more. Hey, guys. Please. Calm down. That's for her. Okay? You're okay. You bigger than her. What you worried about? You bigger. Can we all just get along? Waggy tail and everything. Can we just get along? It's okay. Calm down. Thank you. Hey, calm. Good girl. Good girls. Yay, good girls. That's progress, isn't it? Hey, can you please be nice? Everything's okay. Please? It's okay. She's not gonna hurt you. Just, it's okay. Stop. Stop. Kaji. Kashmere, no. Stop. Roxy does a lot of noises, but once she realizes Kashmere's a pup,